Yeah, guys, we're heading up to the airport, the Trinidad Airport. Check the skies. It's a beautiful, bright, sunny morning. It's around 9 a.m. and we're heading to the airport. We're on the highway right now. Now, the Caribbean region is expecting some pretty bad weather. I gotta take a flight up to Toronto, Canada. So let's see how it goes. All right. And I'm traveling Caribbean Airlines. It's really nice.
Sometimes next week I gotta locate that, you know.
Right.
Nice about it when we live together now.
That's right.
Scenery is from Coco to Mata. Nice.
So we exit from the highway onto the Caroni ramp.
She looked delivered.
Yeah.
We go, you beaten more.
Right.
And you see in places where people never even know about. And I go back to the salon. But here always have people coming up with some.
Yeah.
Nothing, you know.
No, for
You
sure.
have to go down, nowhere to buy now.
Hey guys, so we left home nice and sunny and we coming into there's a tropical storm hitting the region right now. And I think we're getting some of the effects here. The Caribbean region is expecting some bad weather right now. It's like, wow, you could hardly see, you know. And you can see the wind is starting to pick up now. This is crazy. Guys, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
It was back in now.
Yeah, true.
You can remember all that big crack. Had to close up first now before we have flood now.
Right.
So if you look at all them big crack and things.
Yeah.
So now we don't know where to put the water.
Now the ground saturated already, right? Probably not. Yeah, guys, we left home. It was nice and sunny. Yeah.
I bring them a few of that. Like when I camping, I scary one now.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah, guys.
I
So
would
the
carry
trees them
it.
blowing.
I would carry it mosquito.
At the airport now. Welcome to the Airport International. So I don't know what's gonna happen if the flight's gonna get delayed or.
Nah. It all depends on the time.
I think I'll be alright because now it's
10 o'clock.
early. It's early right now, so the weather just started changing. We're here at the airport, guys. Hope the weather changes for the better. Yep, and from here I'll take Caribbean Airline and fly to Toronto, Canada. After checking in my suitcase, I'll make a stop at the Double store. I reach early in the airport, so the weather's still kinda tingy. But it looked like it quiet down. I just checking. Yeah. See like a glitch there. That was lightning and thunder. Yeah, the thunder now. So I know this hurricane season will go up. By the double shed. Food court there. Went and get my doubles. The weather bad now. Double shed. See two signs on blow down there on the street. It's wet, but it stopped raining. It's a good thing. And that's our plane right there. It's almost time to check in. is clearing up now, so we okay. This is the food on the flight, guys. Noodles and chicken. We reached Toronto, guys. Touchdown. The weather was very good for flying. I'm out of customs now. It's 9:22 p.m. So my ride's here picked me up. My ride picked me up and I'm out of here. Alright guys, thanks.